Hello everyone. You have understood all about constructing a histogram. Now we'll move a step ahead and understand all about frequency polygon and frequency curve. A polygon is nothing but joining midpoints of each rectangle in the histogram with a straight line. And curve is when these points are joined with freehand. It can be constructed with or without histogram. So let us understand some of these aspects through this and few subsequent videos. Let us understand constructing a frequency polygon and curve in discrete series. Same method is applicable for continuous series also. And for that, let us take this illustration on number of males per house and number of houses. Number of males per house are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, whereas number of houses are 5, 15, 20, 10 and 5. So we shall understand step by step. Step 1 is that you need to select the variables for x and y axis. Value of independent variables, which is number of males per house, will be on x-axis, and dependent variable, that is number of houses, will be on y-axis. Next is you need to select the axis scales, and the scales should be selected so that all the values of variables to be represented on that axis are covered within axis length of 5 to 7 centimeters. So far as x-axis scale is concerned, one male per house is represented by 10 millimeter point as represented by A on x-axis. So scale is 10 mm is equivalent to one male per house. Similarly for y scale, we can just have 5 houses that represent 10 millimeter point as A dash on y-axis. So the scale is 10 mm is equivalent to 5 houses. These are mentioned on the graph. Then you need to find length of x-axis. Total length of x-axis is equal to scale value of the largest variable converted to scale in millimeters. That is 15 to 20 millimeters for right and end margin. So scale length divided by scale variable value into maximum variable value plus end margin. That's the formula we use, and it turns out to be 10 millimeter divided by 1 male per house into 5 plus 15. So it is 65 mm or 6.5 centimeters. So length of x-axis is 6.5 centimeters. Now for length of y-axis, total length of y-axis is equal to the scale value of the largest number of houses converted to scale in millimeters plus 10 to 15 millimeters for top end margin. So the formula is scale length divided by scale dependent variable value multiplied by maximum dependent variable value plus end margin. So which turns out to be 10 divided by 5 houses into 20 plus 10, that is 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters. So length of y-axis is 5 centimeters. Then take a graph paper and select point O near the left side of the graph paper at such a location that both x and y-axis can be accommodated. Point O may be 10 millimeters from left end of the graph paper. Then draw a line 6.5 centimeters x-axis representing number of males per house. Draw a line OY 5 centimeters as y-axis representing number of houses. Then marking of variable on x-axis. Scale is known to us. One male is 10 millimeters. So starting from point, mark 1 at the distance of 10 millimeters, 2 at the distance of 20 millimeters and so on. Mark till 5 per house. Then mark dependent variables, which is number of houses on y-axis. Scale for y-axis is known. 5 houses is equivalent to 10 millimeter. So starting from 0, mark 5 at a distance of 10 millimeter and 10 at a distance of 20 millimeter and so on. Complete it till the value of 20. Now you need to plot frequency graph. First data point is 1, 5 from point O. First move to 1 male per house, point A on x-axis. Then from point A move vertically above to meet horizontal graph. From B, 5 houses at point C. The length of line AB would be. Then point B on graph represents the first data point, 1 and 5. Similarly, draw other data points to get 2, 15, 3, 20, 4, 10 and 5, 5. So by joining these points with a line as shown by mustard color, that is frequency polygon. But when these points are joined freehand, then it is called a frequency curve. I hope making a frequency polygon and curve is simple and clear and you have thoroughly understood it. Next time we shall discuss constructing a polygon with histogram. Till then, keep reading and keep learning. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.